We could not do what we do at SyncStore without Hadoop, and more importantly, without Hortonworks. We need that scalable platform for our ETL engine to run on that enables our customers the ability to migrate those workloads. And without a platform like HDP, we really wouldn't have a product to sell. The customers that SyncStore works with are looking for ways to migrate both data and batch processes from mainframes and enterprise data warehouses. And in order to do that, they need a platform that's scalable, robust, secure, that's going to give them a lot of that same type of capability that they've grown to become used to on both mainframes and data warehouses. And Hortonworks HDP gives them that type of platform. The kind of the core sales place for SyncStore and our technology is to help companies basically take workloads out of mainframes and data warehouses and move them onto Hadoop. And our core strategy around HDP is to integrate tightly into both MapReduce and Yarn. And that basically allows organizations to kind of replicate what they're doing on mainframes and data warehouses into Hadoop. And basically the end game is to reduce costs and do smarter analytics. We're integrated very tightly with Embari. So one of the key ways that our technology works is it actually gets deployed on every node of the cluster. And as these clusters get bigger, go from 10, 50 to 100, 1,000, it gets complicated when you have to install that software on every node. So Embari takes care of that. Basically distributes SyncStore DMXH, which is our ETL engine that runs on Hadoop, out to every node of the cluster, handles the installation, and then any upgrade. So as HDP goes on to new revs and DMXH, we come out with new releases, and Embari handles that distribution of the software and those updates. Because our ETL engine, runs on Hadoop, and again, we need kind of that platform that's proven, tested, supported, and that combination of SyncStore's DMXH ETL engine running on HDP gives us everything we need to kind of deliver that value to our customers. It's been great working with Hortonworks. SyncStore's been working with the Hortonworks technical team for over 3 years. Our software is actually integrated into the MapReduce framework through an open source plugin. It was actually code that SyncStore contributed to Apache over 3 years ago, and it was Hortonworks committers that actually helped us get that code committed into Apache. And that's actually how our ETL engine runs on Hadoop. So that partnership is really, really near and dear to us with Hortonworks. And then on the sales side, as we started to gain traction, build our pipeline, and actually win customers, it's actually that relationship that we've been building with the Hortonworks field sales team that's been very valuable to SyncStore. So the way SyncStore DMXH integrates into Hortonworks HDP is through the MapReduce framework. So we're an ETL company, right? So we've been around for over 45 years, and we have a very robust, highly scalable ETL engine that prior to Hadoop runs natively, just runs on a server, Linux, Unix, and Windows. On the most current version of our software, you can now build that ETL job using the graphical interface of DMX and actually take that same job and run on an HDP without making any code changes. That's because, again, it'll run natively within MapReduce. What we're now working on is to basically be able to use that same, build that same ETL job and have it run on new execution frameworks like Spark. Again, with no code changes or redevelopment effort.